Okay, now we'll begin uh, experiment. What I told you, this is sodium hydroxide. You have to handle this with care. Okay. So this is sodium hydroxide. You are not supposed to touch it. I can show you. You have seen the crystal, right? Let me see. First, what I mentioned, this is a mug and I'm having a spoon. Now see, I'm adding a spoonful of sodium hydroxide. Then you can also see this is sodium hydroxide. See, don't see close to it. You are not allowed to touch it. If you touch it, then it will burn your skin also. Sodium hydroxide. It is in the form of crystal, not in powder. What I'm doing is I'm going to add drinking water in it. Okay. I added one spoonful of sodium hydroxide, and now I'm going to mix it. And I'm wearing specs. Why? It will help me protect my eye. Otherwise, you are not supposed to handle this with even bare hand. I'm using it because I'm having handle to protect my hand also. See, now I'm stirring, and while stirring, there may be gas coming up. So you also have to wear masks while handling this chemical. See, bad smell is coming out. So that's why I'm going far away. And if you touch this, it's warm. So Angela will touch it outside. Is it warm? And all of you have seen it becoming warm in our class, right? Who want to check this? One can come. Yes, first Kamal Ajay and then one by one. Okay. Kamal Ajay, starting from this. Okay, come and sit down this way. Okay. Just Jamal start coming one by one. Okay. Just touch it. Yes. Is it warm? Yes. Go sit down. Come, one by one, quickly. Yes. Touch it. Is it warm? This is exothermic reaction. Come, one by one. Those who want to come and see, check. Just check. Is it warm? Yes. This is a chemical which is undergoing reaction with water. Now the chemical sodium hydroxide is dissolving in water and it is releasing. Yes, then who else want to see it? So this is sodium hydroxide. Okay? Anyone else? No, right? So, this is sodium hydroxide in water. Which water? Distilled water. Okay, distilled water, the drinking water that we are having is demineralized, not having minerals. Some Bisleri bottles that we used to drink, those are having minerals in it. Some are adding, some companies they are adding mineral in it. Okay, so water with sodium hydroxide. I'm keeping it aside. Okay, then what we have? Coconut oil. So coconut oil, all of you have seen it, right? Let me open this. See, this is coconut oil. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add coconut oil in this water which is having sodium hydroxide chemical. Okay. And I'm going to mix it. Once I started mixing it, see, if you come here, the water is becoming white in color. Water is becoming white in color. Okay. Can you see this? White in color. Water started becoming white in color. I'm adding more. See? You may see bubbles outside. Why? This mug is having hole at the bottom. So I have added coconut oil. So see, and I'm mixing it. Mixing it. What we are preparing is soap base. Soap base, okay? So see, I'm mixing it. Yes, why? Because it's having hole at the bottom. It's okay. See, I'm mixing it. Can you see the color? It's becoming white, cloudy, right? Having the color of cloud. See, can you see? This is soap base. Milky color or cloudy, turbid, having white color. Yes, liquid juice, but it's not juice. It's coconut oil in solution of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide in water. Now, who want to make soap and sell it? Tendawala mentioned that he want to thank you, sir. He want to own a factory of soap. Now see, this is the solution that we have mixed, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this. It's empty, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in it, and we are going to boil. Okay. What are present in this mixture? We have added water, right? Water, sodium hydroxide. How many? 1 spoon of sodium hydroxide in water, a cup of water. Done? And I have mixed it, and then later on I have added coconut oil. And then we got a mixture which is white in color. See, can you see? And if you check the bottom of the utensil, what you see is it's having warm tea. If you touch it, then it's warm. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Means exo means outside. Thermic, therm, which means heat. Heat is produced. Now the reaction which is going on is called as saponification. Saponification. Becoming saponification. It's not too hot. See, this is called as process of saponification. We are preparing soap base, and this is already prepared soap base. See, this is the solidified soap base. Solidified soap base. We'll cook this, okay? By raise lighter. Now let's see which one. See, I'm cooking it, and who'll stir it? Chuchu Sangela. Can you stir it? Just stir it, okay? And who'll help me to cut? No. An elder one. Maya. So what is this? This is soap base. Same chemical, okay? Same chemical. So we can also clean this. Do you have? Okay. Let me use this. Okay. I think this is fine, right? Okay, thank you. Will you cut it? Just for 10 minutes, we have to make the flame little lower. See, bubbles are coming on. Now this process is called as saponification. We'll keep it aside. Okay. Reaction is going on. We'll make it cool down. Okay. Now I'll prepare. Do you have common salt? Common salt. Okay. Okay. Now this is common salt, and I'm going to add water, distilled water. Yes. Now see, I'm stirring it. Add more water. This is the mixture we have prepared. Now, after keeping this for 3 to 4 hours, we will get this kind of soap. Soap will come at the top. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, this is our soap base. Okay. We are going to cook it. Oh, sorry. It's okay, doesn't matter. So, yes, this much is better. Just wait for a few minutes. Cutting process is going on. So we are adding soap base. This is the soap base. We have prepared the mixture, and after separating that mixture from the water, we will get soap base. This soap base. Having similar color, right? You have seen the color. This is not soap. Right now it's not soap. This is having sodium hydroxide and coconut oil, and we have common salt. And in factories they may be using other chemicals also. We have different types of soap. Soap for washing our face, soap for washing our clothes, and we have liquid soap, solid soap, right? Cake soap. Now see what you have seen is cut pieces of the soap base. SOAPBASE. Okay. So just now Chichola will cook under low flame. Okay. What we are going to do, we are melting the soap base. Now see, we have keep this aside. See what you what is there inside it? Soap base. The mixture that we have prepared, after keeping that for 3 to 4 hours, then we will get the soap base. Now it's undergoing process of melting. See, this will melt. Chichu Sangyala will look after this, and others also can come. See, it's under process of melting. So you can come one by one. See, it's becoming similar to the chemical that we have to make. Becoming similar to that, right? We have to wait for 3 to 4 hours to allow the soap to precipitate. See? See, it's melting. Melting, right? See? Come. See? Have you seen it? Yes, now you can go back Yes. See, check. See the camera.
Wait, don't do.
See, check. So we are stirring and then we are melting the soap base. Soap base is made up of sodium hydroxide, coconut oil, water, and we have added common salt in water so that it precipitate. Now this is melted and I'm going to switch off the flame. Chocho Sangela, will you take 1 spoon of glycerin and add it inside it? 1 spoon, okay? 1 spoonful. We are adding glycerin. Glycerin is good for our skin. Just gently stir it. Yes, that's it. You can cover it. Okay. Now what we have done is we have added glycerin. Glycerin is good for our skin. Okay. Now see, soap are coming in different color. Which is your favorite color? So see, we have coloring agent which is used for. I think this is the best. Yes, green is better. Green is better. Green color is the favorite color of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Now stir it. Wait. No, there. Just take it. Now we are coloring the soap. See, green colored soap. Ways are vitamin E. See, this is our vitamin E capsule. See, vitamin E capsule. So color is becoming green. We have added green color. Okay, green liquid color. And we are also going to add capsule vitamin E. How many capsule? 1 capsule. Chuchu Rinjin Dasila, will you add capsule? 1 capsule, okay? See, break it if you can. Otherwise, add capsule. Just break it. It's okay. You can also keep it like that. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. It will melt itself. Yes. And one more. Let's see. We can add one more. One more. Do it. Just like that. Yes. Done? Yes. Now it's becoming clean. Now this is essential oil, which means this will add fragrance, scent to our, good smell to our, sweet smell to our soap. Yes, now stir it. Okay. It's too warm, right? Is it warm? So we have prepared the mixture of soap. Now we have added glycerin, we have added vitamin E. These are good for our skin. And we have added color. Now see, finally what we need is soap mold. Yes, I think this soap mold is much better. The shape of the soap.
Red is better. Red is better.
No. This is not for every one of you. Okay, we are going to make soap with this. Keep it here. Keep it here. Keep it here. These are soap molds, so add to it. Okay. Those who haven't observed, you can come and observe. See, Chochola, your brother is making your soap to solidify. Maybe after 3 hours, I think it will get solidified. Don't shake this, okay? Otherwise, don't touch this, okay? Then, otherwise, our soap will not become good. Yes, you can. Yes, why not? And we are going to wait for the result, okay? Yes, see, now our soap has solidified, and sir, you can distribute to whoever.